Hi, I'm Michael.
I'm Rena.
We're making a big change to our van today. We've decided to scrap the dinette setup and we're going with a fixed bed. Then one of the main reasons why we don't like the dinette bed setup is because it's been making our backs really painful. Because of all the gaps and because the way the foam of the bed is cut, it leaves a lot of gaps where we'll either fall in, it'll get moved around, or we'll sink into the gap, making our sleep posture really bad. And now we're going with a new fixed bed. This is gonna be a little bit of a project because we always had a dinette setup. Now we're making a fixed bed on one side, and then we're gonna have a booth for sitting with a lagoon mount table on the front side. Let's open up our new bed because it's gonna take some time for it to expand. So let's open it up. All right, so now we've unpacked the bed. We just have to wait for it to fully expand. Based on the instruction, it needs 72 hours for it to fully expand. So we'll just let it kind of expand for a little while. All right, so we waited a full 24 hours for the bed to expand. It's not fully there, but it's good enough for us to cut. So today we're gonna make a cut to the bed to the length of the width of the van. So let's do that. All right, so we just made the cut. Not the best cut we ever done, but it should be to measurement, and we should be able to put this horizontally from left to right, 68 inches. All right, let's try to fit it. That's it to our old cushions. Hello to our new bed. Moment of truth, we're gonna turn the bed over to make sure it fits. It should fit because we did the calculation. All right, let's do this. This is where our new bed's gonna be, like this. And the next step is to cut this down and make this into a sitting area, and then we got to cut this down.
You need to unscrew the bottom.
I'm wondering if I can keep that. Should I keep the base or no, or just take it off? Take the whole thing off? Okay. Or I'll take off the pedestal too then. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Let's do it. All right, so this is our pedestal table. And what we'll do is we'll remove the entire pedestal, but keep this top board so that we can use it as the base for this. And then there should be a leftover on the board. Maybe we'll use that for the lagoon mount that we have right here. And the lagoon mount will be installed closer here. So that's how it's going to be. So the space down here will be all open.
Do you need to fill the hole?
Yeah, I need to fill the hole. Yeah, we'll figure something out. Okay, let's do that. All right, the 3-stage pedestal is out. And now we're going to cut down that board to make it fit right in the middle. All right, the lagoon mount is set. Turn the light. This is the mount. I'm gonna secure it some more a little bit. This is how it's gonna work. Pretty cool. You can raise it higher or lower from here. And then here you lock in to turn or not turn. And then here it swivels. Cool mount. All right, that's how it's gonna be. All right, Alright, so this is the lagoon now. You want to move it around? Pretty nice.
I can snack
On the bed?
on the bed too.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, just gotta finish some woodwork up, like sand this down, and we should be good. Alright, cool. So I think that's it for this video. Alright, majority of it is good. Bye.